Hey guys, it is the end of the month, end of January 2023. Can you believe it? I'm Tricia Turner. Want to, number one, give you a little bit of a market report and talk to you a little bit about your property taxes and your home's current value. So, the purpose of this video is because, number one, I always like to give a market report, especially at the month end or the beginning of the month, because I don't know about you, but I study the market every single day. It's my job to do that. Been doing this for over 20 years. This is actually the third time I've seen a downturn or shift in the market, which we started experiencing in June of 2022. What is the market doing right now? Well, as of today, end of January 2023, home prices have pretty much kind of like flatlined in most areas. I'm talking at a local level now. As a national level, of course, there's pockets of the world or the United States where homes have definitely dropped in value. There's some areas where homes have not, and we're still seeing multiple offers. So when you're thinking about like, what is my current home's value? Number one, you would need to get with a professional like us, an expert. Let them run your numbers. Let's look at all the factors: location of your home, updating of your home. Do you have a pool? All of that stuff. What does your roof look like? Everything like that is taken into account. However, what you need to know is that when COVID struck, we saw the market go crazy and homes escalated in value, some areas up to 30%, which was never ever seen before. That's not realistic. Did that redefine your home's value? Maybe, maybe not. But what we do know is that since June of 2022, we have not seen escalations in prices. We have not seen appreciation, and we likely will not. We are still in a housing shortage, so we still need homes on the market. And interest rates doubled, yes, in 2022, which we also had never seen in a 12-month period. However, they're still at a good interest rate. We can get people interest rates in the fives all day long. There's a structure to that. There's a strategy to that, but it's happening every single day. Lenders are adjusting to make concessions. Sellers are adjusting to make concessions. Real estate professionals, if they're trained and they're experts, they also know how to guide you through that. So your home's value compared to your property taxes, what's happening right now? A lot of people, taxes are due as of today, January 31, 2023. If your property taxes are not paid by midnight tonight, they're late, and you will incur a penalty tomorrow, or actually at 12:01 tonight, you'll incur a penalty. So a lot of people have been reaching out to us because they're like, oh my gosh, my mortgage company said my escrow account didn't have enough to pay my property taxes because my property tax bill increased. Therefore, poor homeowners are having to put money into their escrow account so that the escrow account can pay the taxes, or already paid the taxes and now their escrow account's at a negative, therefore they owe money. And then B, a lot of people's mortgage payments are getting adjusted because the banks are like, hey, we didn't have enough money in your mortgage, in your escrow account to pay your property taxes. Therefore, this year and moving forward, your new payment amount is going to be blank, so that when your tax bill becomes due, which is typically at the end of the year or the end of January of the next year, there'll be money in that account to pay your property taxes. So we have heard from several homeowners, they're considering selling because they're like, I had no idea that my payment was going to increase like this. I can't afford this, or I don't want to pay this much. I'm not comfortable here. So if that's you, number one, get with us. Like, send me a message, reply to this email, call me, text me. I can pretty much get to things within 48 hours. I work a lot, but this is a concern, and this is an area that we definitely need to talk about. So if that is happening to you and you're getting that call or that letter from your mortgage company, number one, we need to look at your property value. Like, what is your home's current value? I don't care about what it says it was assessed at last year. Let's look at what it is this year and what do we think it's going to be in the next 4 months. Because when you get another opportunity to protest your taxes this year, you would need to do that. That would be your time to try to get your value down if that's the case. Now, however, if that happens, know that this will not affect likely your mortgage payment because the bank's going to have these payments set in place for the year. However, it will kind of give you an inkling of what your home is worth, because you should always know that, and maybe plan for next year. So reach out to me. Let me know if you're in that kind of a situation, or if you know somebody that is, share this video with them. I'm Tricia Turner. You can go to one of our websites, which is called triciaturner.work. You can schedule a call there. I can gladly walk you through what we need to do And of course, if I'm super busy, one of my agents can help you too, because this is a concern and we want to make sure that everybody's taken care of. So that is your monthly market report. It is the end of January 2023. Y'all have an amazing day and an amazing February starting tomorrow. Bye.